Hey everybody, Jamie Jordan here, and I'd like to take a second to talk to you about our new height adjustment kit, as well as our control knob for all of our plate style bead rollers. These two upgrades are critical for your bead roller if you're looking to make any type of intricate artwork. One of the features of this adjustment is it's going to allow you to be able to go into a line and out of a line while making these adjustments on the fly. Traditionally, you would have to loosen two bolts on the back of the unit, find your appropriate height, and then tighten them back down to lock in the upper shaft. This adjustment block will allow the upper shaft to be adjusted by turning the control knob. This is the same design you'll find on the larger professional style bead roller units. One of the neat features of this knob is it allows you to place your hand flat on it. And as you rotate it, you're not jerking it back and forth, which is going to allow you to have smoother action, and it's not going to put as much stress on the machine. And for these reasons, these parts are going to help you take your machine from good to great, which will allow you to be able to tackle some of those more challenging projects. You can check out all of these great bead roller upgrades at eastwood.com.